Very good morning to the student of class UKG. Welcome to the EVS classes. Today we are going to do the chapter 2. In the previous video we have learned how to write chapter 1 in our notebook. We have also learned how to introduce ourselves. In today's video our topic will be our body. Our body. That is your chapter number 2. Okay. So this is the book which has been prescribed by the school for the session 2020-21. And the chapter which has been given in chapter 2 is our body. There is a picture here. In this picture, the different parts has been labeled with the black color. Similarly, I have drawn the picture on the blackboard here, and I have also labeled it with the pink color. The picture has been drawn in green color, and the labeling has been done in pink color. Okay. So let's see what are the different parts of our body and what is its name and what is its functions. Okay. So the first part of our body is our head. Okay. So the head is a very important part of our body because it helps us to reason out the things in a better manner. Okay. Then the second part we are having is our eyes. We are having how many eyes? Exactly. We are having two eyes. One in the right and the other in the left. So these eyes help us to see the surrounding before us, which is really very beautiful, isn't it? The third thing what we have is our teeth. Okay, the small child who is under the teenager, they are having the non-permanent teeth, whereas the adult peoples are having a permanent teeth. These teeth help us to chew our food and convert it into a simpler form. Okay. Then fourth we are having neck. Yes, this is our neck. It helps us to stand straight and erect. We keep our head erect. We can turn our head in this way. Okay, we can move right and the left with the help of our neck. Okay. And the next is our chest. Okay, the lungs is beneath it, so it protects us. It protects our lungs, the internal organ. And if we groom up with the help of an exercise, we can groom up our chest. Okay. And the next is what? Our fingers. We are having altogether how many fingers? We are having 10 fingers, 5 in the right hand side and 5 in the left hand side. So altogether it is how many fingers? It is 10 fingers. Clear? Then we are having a hand. Okay, this hand is, hand allows us to do lots of work. No? We do so many works. It helps us in writing, it helps us in cooking food, it helps us in driving. So many things are there. We do it with our hands. Okay. Next is what? Our stomach. So belly is there. So belly helps us to what? Digest our food. Okay. But next we have having what? Thigh. So this is an upper limb. So it is thick in size and then it is having a longest bone over it. Okay. And the next we are having what? Knee. So knee helps us to bend down, sit down. Okay. So it is a knee which helps us to bend. Next we are having what? Toe. We are having how many toes? We are having 2 toes. One in the right and the other in the left. Okay. Then coming to the other side of the board, what are we having? The head is being protected by hair. So we are having innumerable of hairs on our head. Okay. It is not easy to count. Next is what? Nose. So we are having nose. It helps us in breathing. These are the 2 nostrils here which allows the air to get inside and then it allows also to come out. So while inhaling the air we are taking oxygen and while exhaling we are taking out carbon dioxide. Okay. And the next is what? Ears. So ears are very important organs of our body because it is one of the sense organ also and it helps us to hear all the sounds around us. Next we are having what? Shoulders. So shoulders help us to keep our load. Okay, so when we carry our school bags, it is with the help of our shoulder that we can keep the heaviness of our bag on our shoulder. Then we are having thumb. This is a thumb with the help of which we try to make a fist. Okay, so thumb, we are having two thumbs, one in the right and the other in the left. Yeah. And then we are having what? Arms. So these are arms. Okay, so we can fold our arms. When we have to fold our hands, we have to fold our arms. Okay. And then next we are having what? Leg. It helps us to do what? It helps us to walk. It helps us to run. With the help of the legs, we try to walk and run. Okay. And then we are having a foot. While coming to school, we wear our shoes. In the foot. Okay. So student, we have seen all the different parts of our body. Okay. Once again, we'll see from top to bottom. So in the left hand side, what is it? Head, eyes, teeth, neck, chest, hand, stomach, thigh, knee and toe. And in the left hand side, what is it? It is hair, nose, ear, shoulder, thumb, arm, fingers, leg and foot. Okay. After that, we will see what are the exercise which has been given here in your textbook. Okay, so let's see